Hey, what's up? All set for the campus fest?
Kind of, embracing the tradition. The dark age and the eternal.
A colorful mosaic representing Kerala's traditional masjids is painted on the walls. In the center of the camp, the three mosques, Banani Masjid, Machundi Masjid, and Mishkal Masjid adorn the area and speak to the timeless lessons of tradition, eternal wisdom, moral WIRAS. The fest theme comes to life amidst these architectural marvels. Every brushstroke on the wall captures not only the exquisiteness of the artwork, but also the diverse fabric of Muslim traditional culture.